Let's go.
C-Walk Live.
KRS. Oh, Talib Kweli. Talib, this is crazy. Yo, this is crazy. What you doing? Throw your hands up. Come on.
Yeah. BK to BX in every place in between. It's all 718 like.
Grand Concourse, what's up?
We got beats to the rhyme, and the rhyme is so fresh, yo. So what you got? 9 to text, you know threat is the beat. How you get your cake don't matter. It takes heart, the lyrics been replaced with the swagger. I stay sharp enough to slash your face like a dagger. The actors been replaced with the rappers. The rappers been replaced with the actors. See how they try to stay on the beat. The pig route when he walking down the street to the beat.
Sound of the police. What is the life of a true hip-hop of the beats? Peace, love, unity, living proper with the beats. In any endeavor, whatever, we will prosper with our beats. Some cats are real, others are imposters with beats. We the realest, livest, the rawest. Crack, cocaine, heroin survivors with beats. We avoided the cops, we focus on the beats. Spitting, all we saw was stacks of rhymes written. Elite, way too smart for this system, of course. We know a smart, free black man just pisses them off. What they like is when we glisten in gloss. Flashing millions, but still taking a loss. Bump the beat,
Yeah.
all in the street.
Yeah.
Talib, yo, I think it's about time to speak.
Word. Watch me take it there. Life ain't a crystal stair. Hell yeah, it's crystal clear with Kweli and Chris is here. Searching for the perfect beat. I went to each state. It's crazy and fugazi how they slaves to their release date. They try to look away. They scared to look inside.